Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to make money online as a complete beginner? No experience, no big investment, no fancy skills. The truth is, yes, it's possible, but not in the get-rich overnight way you see on social media. In today's video, I'm going to give you a realistic, beginner-friendly guide to making money online, step by step. If you're just starting out, this video will save you months of confusion and frustration. Let's begin. Step 1. Change your mindset first. Before we talk about platforms and strategies, we need to talk about mindset. Most beginners fail because they think, I'll try this for 2 days. If I don't make money fast, it doesn't work. I need a secret hack. Making money online is not magic, it's simply value exchange. You provide value, you solve problems, you get paid. Once you understand that, everything becomes clearer. Step 2. Choose one simple starting method. As a beginner, you should not try 10 things at once. Here are 4 beginner-friendly options. 1. Freelancing. If you can, write, design, edit videos, manage social media, do data entry. You can earn on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Even basic skills like converting PDFs, simple Canva designs, caption writing can make money. Start small, improve over time. 2. Affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest beginner models. You don't create products, you promote someone else's product and earn commission. Example: Amazon products, software tools, online courses. You can promote through YouTube, blogging, TikTok, Instagram. No inventory, no shipping, no customer support, just content plus links. 3. Content creation, long-term game. YouTube, TikTok, blogging. It takes time, but it builds real income streams. You can earn from ads, brand deals, affiliate links, digital products. The key is consistency, not perfection. Selling digital products. You can sell ebooks, templates, Notion planners, Canva templates, AI prompts. Create once, sell multiple times. This is powerful because it becomes semi-passive income. Step 3. Start with zero investment strategy. If you're a beginner, don't spend money immediately. Use free tools. Canva, free version, CapCut for editing, Google Docs, ChatGPT for ideas, free website builders. You don't need expensive equipment to start. Your phone is enough. Your consistency is more important than your tools. Step 4. Build skills that actually pay. Instead of chasing random trends, build one skill that businesses need. High-demand beginner skills. Short-form video editing, thumbnail design, social media management, AI content assistance, basic copywriting. If you improve just one skill for 60 days, you can start earning consistently. Skill equals income. Step 5. Be ready for slow start. Here's something most people don't say. Your first month might make $0, and that's okay. Most successful online earners struggled at the beginning. The difference is, they didn't quit. Online income compounds. The first dollar is the hardest. Step 6. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Let me save you from common traps. Buying expensive courses without action. Jumping from one method to another every week. Expecting instant results. Falling for guaranteed income scams. If something promises fast, easy, guaranteed money, be careful. Real online income requires effort. Step 7. Create a simple 30-day plan.
Here's what I recommend. Week 1, learn one skill or method. Week 2, practice daily and create sample work. Week 3, start applying or publishing content. Week 4, improve, optimize, and stay consistent. Don't overcomplicate it. Step 8, focus on long-term growth. Quick money is nice, but real freedom comes from systems. Instead of asking, how can I make $100 fast? Ask, how can I build something that pays me every month? That mindset shift changes everything. Final thoughts. Making money online as a beginner is possible, but it requires patience, skill building, consistency, focus. You don't need to be special, you don't need to be a genius, you just need to start. Pick one method, stick to it, improve daily. And 6 months from now, you'll be glad you didn't quit. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly money guides. And comment below, what method are you planning to start with? Let's build your online income step by step.